Miyembro mi sa Karkar nga amo ang giduaw with Moises De Parini, sila si Rona May Soke, and we had just have to attend to this group event, no? So always in full support of Vice President Sara Duterte.
So nag-form mo dito kuan sir lain nga grupo dito sa Karkar.
No, it's an existing group. Kami god doon na may grupo kaning kampilan ng mamamayan, which is the umbrella group. Under it is about 36 parallel organization. Apil ana ang Duterte Riders, Sara Philippines, nila ni Rona May, Inday Cares, kaning gitawag og Mayor Inday Sara supporters, which is daghan ni sila sa Bicol. So it's all over. Unya ang amo ang kalihukan nag-organize me sa mga lungsod, probinsya. We're trying to expand our movement. Dayong recently, we organized this Tatay Digong for Inday Sara 2028 movement. So, usa po na sa amo nga gi-propagate diri sa probinsya sa Cebu and other provinces. So, busy mi karon to organize and expand our organization.
Kung ganiha kung naay launching sa Rage, which is also for in support for Sara Duterte for president, and then against sa iyang impeachment, nganong wala ang inyong grupo ganiha dito ko?
Well, kaning ilaha bago lang ning ilang grupo, kami dugay na mi. We have been organized since 2023. But dili man namo sila kaaway or dili pud sila namo kontra, but kami we're a separate organization, and pareha ra pod ang amo ang tumong, no, which is to support the Vice President.
What's your take kung sa inyong organization about aning tomorrow na mag-vote for sa articles of impeachment?
Well, as far as we're concerned, expected na yan. With all these things coming out now, no? Kaning mga huluhungihong aning ang FLR, gikan mismo ni Senator Amy. And from our friends inside nga naka-istorya na to, but we just don't want to mention names. May mga amigo tayong I've been a member of Congress, nagnampata mga amigo sa sulod. It seems that made up na ang kuan. Kay daw na sila itawag og kanang panghadlok na dili rilisan ang mga miyembro og dili mo pirma sa resolution and vote in the plenary. But that's expected because the real trial is not in the House. What we're looking at is an adversarial trial where there is a real due process nga matagaan gayud ang atong Vice President og chance nga to confront the witnesses. Kay ako, I believe that the witnesses that the prosecution from the House of Representatives will present, they're mga palso na mga testigo yan. At the end of the day, they will tell their fake stories.